Alright, welcome back to part 2 of block day. It's mildly harder, but nothing that you're not capable of. I have to say that though, so take that for what it's worth. There's 2 problems I want to do. And what is this section? Solving problems, inequalities. We're gonna say inequality word problems. Also, I think I'm starting to get carpal tunnel in my hands. Or is it not carpal tunnel, but arthritis. There you go. Alright, so the key information says Mike wants to rent a car. We don't care why. The rental costs $125 per week. Plus 15 cents per mile. How far can he go if he has $200? And it tells around Henry's mile. I paraphrased that a little bit there. Alright, so there's a couple of things. This is a typical type of problem. It's $125 plus, depending on how far you go, that 15 cents will add up. So it's gonna be 0.15. I'm sure the book uses M probably, but you could use X if you want. And he cannot spend more than $200, so we gotta be less than or equal to. He does have $200. I can spend $200, so it doesn't have to be less than. Alright, so get our handy dandy calculator, because you know I'm good at this part math. So we're gonna have 0.15 m is less than or equal to 75. Then you're going to divide by 0.15. 75 divided by 0.15 is 500. So he can travel at most. Wow, he can travel at most 500 miles. Now that's round trip. So if he's going to one place and coming back, that means he'd go 250 miles one way and 250 miles back. Not one way, 500 miles. So a total of 500 miles, meandering around, going there and back. 500 miles, that's it. Not bad though, right? The next one that I want to do for y'all is in the textbook, problems number 10. It says Ken has 22 coins. Those coins are dimes and quarters. It tells us those coins are worth more than $3.40. How many coins does he have? Okay. How many of each is essentially what they're asking us. So, stuck. Heck. This one's a little bit tricky, right? Because we have 22 coins, alright? Dimes are worth 10 cents, right? Do we know how many we have? Nope. Don't know how many we have, so it gets X. Alright? Quarters are worth 25 cents, right? How many do we have? We don't know, but we're not going to say Y as a separate variable. And we're not going to say X because we don't know we have the same amount of dimes and quarters. So if I have 22 total coins, if I had X number of dimes, I have 22 minus however many dimes I have. So 25 cents times however many coins I have. This right here is my total worth of coins, and it is more than, greater than, 340 cents, $3.40. Okay, I got to distribute this dude. So I'm gonna copy down the 10x. 25 times 22 is 550. Minus 25x is greater than 340. 10x minus 25x is minus 15x. Plus 550 is greater than 340. I'm going to move this over so I can have the x part by itself. 340 minus 550 is negative 210. Divide by negative 15. Divide by negative 15. And you get x. Remember, I divided by a negative, so I have to flip the sign. Negative 14. Sorry, negative less than 14. Jeez, English. Alright, so what does that mean? It does not mean he has 14 dimes. It says he has to have less than 14. And you can't have 13.5 dimes. So he's going to have 13 dimes. And that means he would have 9 quarters. And it's worth more than that much, right? So this will give you exactly, I think, what is 13 times 25 plus 9 times, 13 times plus 9 quarters, 355, so it gives you a little bit more. So, but it's worth more, so at least 13 dimes, 9 quarters. He might have more than that, right? If you had all quarters, they don't tell us. If you had all quarters, you'd have way more than, so if I had 22, I'd have 550 cents, so $5.50. So he has at least 13 dimes and 9 quarters. And that's it. Hopefully that made a little bit of sense. Be careful out there.